Picture yourself in the 2019 Honda Civic. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Let your love for driving loose with this sporty Civic Coupe. It packs future-focused technology and has all the comfort and conveniences to make driving fun in the here and now. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Scenic route or daily commute, driving never felt so good. Test drive the Honda Civic Coupe today.